Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Prolog to Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Prolog to Microsoft Teams, begin by setting up your environment. Ensure you have Microsoft Teams installed on your device. Open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Next, access the Prolog platform through your browser. Identify the specific Prolog application or service you want to connect. Locate the integration section within Prolog settings. In the integration section, look for Microsoft Teams as an available option. Select Microsoft Teams to initiate the connection setup. You may need to authorize Prolog to access your Microsoft Teams account. Follow the prompts to sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once authenticated, choose the Teams channel where you want Prolog notifications to appear. Configure the specific settings for how you want to receive updates from Prolog. Save the changes to finalize the integration between Prolog and Microsoft Teams. Return to Microsoft Teams and verify that you can see updates from Prolog in the selected channel. Test the connection by creating a new entry in Prolog and observing if it reflects in Teams. If everything is set up correctly, you should now receive real-time notifications from Prolog in Microsoft Teams. Adjust any preferences within Prolog or Teams as necessary for your workflow. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Prolog to Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.